Talks, sponsored by Lexus of Las Vegas and Lexus of Henderson.
More relief money is on the way for small businesses affected by COVID-19. Local financial professional Brad Zucker from SMA Wealth Management joins us now to talk about how the latest relief package aims to help small businesses. All right, Brad, good morning. First, let's talk about how those small businesses have been impacted by COVID-19.
Well, it's important to note that small businesses represent 99% of all business across the country, and they employ more than 60 million people. But half of those small business owners say that their business has significantly been impacted by the pandemic. And here, where we see in Las Vegas and Henderson, small businesses closing left and right, 60% are not reopening.
That's terrible news, but hopefully relief on the way. What do those small business owners need to know about now the second round of PPP loans?
Well, the Paycheck Protection Program is the life preserver to the small business owner, and it doesn't matter if you received a PPP loan in 2020. You could still apply for one now. However, in order to qualify for the loan, there's 4 considerations. First, your business had to have been established before February of last year and have less than 300 employees, and your income must have dipped 25% or more since the pandemic. And the deadline to apply for these funds is March 31st of 2021.
Okay, important date to remember. Let's talk about this relief package and how it may differ from the CARES Act.
Well, the federal program under the CARES Act was designed to help the small business owners impacted by the pandemic, but it drew criticism as hundreds of millions of dollars went to these large publicly traded corporations. Additionally, the max loan under the old loan was $10 million. Today, the max is a $2 million cap, but the PPP funds are now tax deductible to a business. Previously, you could not deduct the expense for a forgiveness. Today, to be fully forgiven, 60% of this money must go towards payroll, and the money can be used for property damage not covered by insurance companies during the widespread civil unrest we saw last summer.
So in the meantime, while they may be applying for these loans, what else can businesses do to just try to stay afloat right now?
Yeah, in order for Las Vegas and Henderson to see that recovery and economic growth, the Paycheck Protection Program is not the only option. The Small Business Administration is also providing economic relief to businesses that are being challenged by their debt or whose revenue has dropped. Second, if traditional loans are not available, consider venture capital funding as an option. In this case, an investor pledges the money in exchange for equity in the company. It's kind of like Shark Tank. Finally, speak to your government representative on the state and local level for financial relief. I have a link right on my website at askbradzucker.com to help small business owners get started.
All right, Brad, that's all the time that we have for today. Thanks for your time, and we'll be right back after this.